Welcome to Module 4, Chapter 3, entitled Working with Customers. Chapter 3 is all about the setup and transactions relating to customers. Most of these activities can be easily administered through the Customer Center. The following figure shows the home page of your QuickBooks interface, and the Customer Center is the small blue icon or button in the center portion of the screen. Throughout the chapter, there are Develop Your Skills exercises which must be completed. The first Develop Your Skills exercise, DYS 3-1, on page 80, is the first one of these exercises. There are 7 total exercises in the chapter. You should be sure to go through each of these exercises, practice them on your student file, and to develop the skills you need throughout this chapter. The next section of Chapter 3 talks about items. Items are critically important in QuickBooks. They represent virtually everything that you buy, sell, make, produce. Everything is described as an item. The items are created and managed in the Items and Services icon in the Company section of the home page in the upper right corner. The chapter goes on to discuss the various steps of sales on account through the creation of invoices and receiving payment. These are for transactions which are related to customers who have credit with your company and purchase and pay for things on account. The next section talks about cash receipts, and these are for cash sales that are not on account but are paid for in cash when the transaction occurs. In addition to the Develop Your Skills that I mentioned that occur throughout the chapter, at the end of the chapter there's a section called Reinforcing Your Skills, which gives you additional opportunity to practice what you have learned. The first of these begins on page 111 at the end of the chapter. The first graded activity in Module 4 is a quiz. It is very similar to what you've had before. It has 2 true and false questions and 3 multiple choice, and you can take it up to 2 times to obtain the very best score, which will be entered into the grade book. The final activity in the module is the homework assignment. After you have read Chapter 3, complete the Reinforce Your Skills sections 3-1, 3-2, and 3-3 on pages 115 through 117. Do not do Apply Your Skills 3-4. When you complete sections 3-1 through 3-3, the final step is to create a report, and the report is the Sales by Customer Detail Report, which is found under the Reports/Sales menu. Use a date range of 6/1/16 through 6/30/16, and then review the report and print and save it as a PDF named AYS Sales Report.pdf. In the assignment window of Module 4, you are to upload this file to me by clicking on the Submit Assignment button in the upper right corner, similar to the assignments you've done in previous chapters. The very last thing in the module is to participate in the feedback discussion, which is a chance for you to comment on what you found useful, problems you might have experienced, anything else you wish to share with me or the other students. Thank you and good luck with the assignment.